Let's fill out the Georgia Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle: make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong. The VIN, type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer, write the exact reading, not a rounded guess. A sloppy number can look like odometer fraud. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, and how it's paid? Here, paid in full by check with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Finally, signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. 2 things before you're done. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up, so make sure every signature has a date beside it. And make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. The buyer needs it to register the vehicle, and the seller needs it as proof they are no longer responsible for that car. If you're selling a vehicle in this state, here's what you need to know. First, you'll need to complete a bill of sale using Form T7. This is the official form for this state, so make sure you're using the right one. On that form, the seller needs to print and sign their name under the seller section, and every buyer listed on the sale must also print and sign. So if there are multiple buyers, each one needs to sign. You'll also need to include the date of the sale or ownership transfer and the odometer reading at the time of the transfer. Both of these are required, so don't skip them. When it comes to the title, you'll need to transfer the certificate of title as part of this process. And here's an important one. If there are any recorded liens or security interests against the previous owner, all of those must be released before the transfer can move forward. That covers the key requirements for this state's vehicle bill of sale. Your state also offers an official T7 bill of sale if you prefer it. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.